Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher. This is the performance for Silent Night, one of the most beautiful and slow Christmas carols. If you want to learn the song with me, not just the sheet music, but really a step-by-step lesson on the right and left hand of the accordion and how to perform the song slowly and beautifully, head on over to accordionlove.com or click the link in the description. There's a free 3-day trial. There's an entire Christmas unit where I teach you how to play all of these nice Christmas songs. Anyways, enjoy the performance. I hope to see you there. Thank you.